Hi students, I'm Shree the English teacher. Let's start a journey from zero to hero together. Welcome to English Level 1, Class 1 and Lesson 1. Me.
Our first topic is name. Here we are taking an example. My name is Rajesh Kumar Sharma. First name is Rajesh, middle name is Kumar and last name is Sharma. My name is Rajesh Kumar Sharma. Second topic in this lesson is gender, girl, woman, boy, man.
Girl and boy are called to those who are above 5 years and below 18 years. Above 18 years are called woman and man. Let's do an activity. Circle one of these pictures. If you are a boy, then circle boy's picture, and if you are a girl, then circle the girl's picture. Now complete the sentence. I am a blank. If you are boy, then you will say I am a boy, and if you are a girl, you will say I am a girl. Complete the sentences below. My father is a man. My mother is woman. Circle the correct picture. If you are a woman, circle on the woman's picture, and if you are a man, circle on the man's picture. Now, complete the sentence. When I grow up, I will be a woman. Next topic in this lesson is date of birth. Definition of date of birth is the month, day, and year a person was born. Let's do an activity to understand this better. We are taking an example here. Circle your birth date, birth month, and birth year. Now say the date of your birth. My date of birth is 03. Now the month of your birth. My month of birth is February. Now the year of your birth. My year of birth is 1996. Age. The simplest definition of age is one of the stages of life. Now let's make a sentence. First, I was born on 03 February 1996. Second, I was born on, use only numbers 03, 02, 1996. Please answer this question. How old are you? I am 26 years old. We can also say, my age is 26 years.